Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to design the coin sorter hand crank seen here. So whenever you're ready, let's go ahead and get started. Come on up to File, let's do a new part design and create new. Let's come on up and start a new sketch on this plane. First thing we want to do is come on up to Create, and we're going to come on down to Slot, and we're going to do a center to center slot, and we're going to click right on our origin, and we're going to drag it out, I don't know, maybe 2 inches or so. Click, click, and make something like that. All right, and now we're going to add some dimensions. We're going to make this distance right here from center to center 1.59, and we're going to make the diameter here from this point to this point 0.61 inches. All right, next thing we're going to do is come on up to our circle drawing tool and start right here, and we're going to drag out a circle with a diameter of 0.39 inches. All right, once that's done, we're going to come over here and finish our sketch, and we're going to extrude this profile out right here, a distance of 0.4 inches. Now we're going to come up to construct, and we're going to do an offset plane from this face, a distance of minus 0.2 inches. Now let's go ahead and start a sketch on that plane. And we're going to come on up here to Create, and we're going to go to Project, and we're going to project the circle, the geometry of this circle right here. Hit OK. Then we're going to drag out another circle with a diameter of 0.31 inches. All right, and that'll do it for this sketch. Let's finish it. And we're going to extrude out this profile right here, a distance of minus 0.08 inches. Okay, so when you're done, you hopefully have this sort of ring feature here inside. So to make these corners round, we're going to add some fillets on both of them right there, and and we're going to make them a size or radius of 0.04 inches. All right, and let's go ahead and select OK. All right, so now we're going to flip it over on this side. All right, and when you draw this triangle, make sure you're drawing it on the side where this ring right here is closer to this surface. So we're going to start a sketch on this surface. We're going to come on up to Project Geometry, this guy right here, so this point shows up. Okay, and then we're going to come over to Create, and we're going to go down to our Polygon tool, and we're going to do a, either one of these is probably fine. We'll do that one. We're going to drag out any size for now, hit the Tab button, and select 3. And then just for now, just make a triangle with any size and click. And then we're going to come on over here to horizontal, and we're going to make this horizontal with that. All right, and then we're going to dimension this distance right here to be 0.306 inches. And that's it. We're done with the sketch. Let's go ahead and finish the sketch. Now we're going to go ahead and extrude that triangle a distance of 0.61 inches. Next thing we're going to do is start a sketch on this face right here, and we're going to drag out a 1-inch circle, and then we're going to finish our sketch, and we're going to extrude this part down a distance of minus 0.06 inches. Select OK. And then we're going to come on around to all the edges here, and we're going to put a fillet size of 0.04 on there, and hit OK. And then finally, we're going to put a chamfer on these edges of 0.01. Hit OK. And I'm going to zoom in here so you guys can see better. And then we're going to put a fillet right here, and right there with a size of 0.02 inches. And what this will do is this will allow for us to insert this triangle into another hole with a triangular shape with ease, if that makes sense. All right. And then finally, the last thing you want to do is give your part a color. Come on up to Document Settings, right-click Appearance, make it red, or edit it and make it whatever color you like there. All right. And don't forget to save it. All right, and that'll do it for this part. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you next time.